Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss English practice paper 2 of Hyderabad district. In English question paper, first is a passage writing. Based on passage, they will ask 4 questions. Each question carries 3 marks. Total weightage is 12 marks. So don't neglect this one. 4 questions of first passage 3 marks each, 12 marks. Go through the question, students. 5 to 8 questions is also related to passage writing. In this passage, each question have 3 marks, total 12 marks for second passage also. So 9 to 12 questions is a question of based on the study chart. So based on the chart, they will ask questions. We have to attempt all the questions. 4 questions will be asked. Each question carries 2 marks. Total weightage is 8 marks. Coming to the transformation of sentences, 13th question is a transformation of sentences. They will give paragraph like this and we have to do as directed. Here also each question carries 2 marks, total questions 4, total weightage is 8. So first one, rewrite the sentence beginning with two ripe mangoes. Rewrite the sentence using not only but also. Rewrite the sentence using so that. Rewrite the sentence using as soon as. Rewrite the sentence beginning with taking. So based on the directions, you need to rechange the sentence. So moving to the next part of the question 14th. From 14th, we have discourses, which is the important part in English question paper. So 14th question, we have two discourses. You have to attempt only one. So choices will be there and each discourses carries 10 marks. In this question paper of Hyderabad district, they have given conversation and also letter to chairman of municipal corporation. And 15th question and 16th question are also discourses, but they are minor discourses. In the minor discourses, we have two minor discourses. We need to attempt each minor discourse, no choice. 5 marks for each minor discourses. In this minor discourses is a diary entry and the other is a poster. So moving on to the part B in English, poem will be given, not paragraph. So based on the poem, 5 questions will be asked. Each question carries 1 mark, total weightage is 5. Multiple choice will be given. You need to tick the or mark the appropriate answer for that question. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 are poem related questions. 22 to 26 is error writing. So we need to find the error in the given sentences. So you need to write in the space provided here 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So 27 to 31 is also do as directed. Choose the correct answer with A, B, C, D. So this is the passage. Choose the right word among A, B, C, D options. So 25th, 27th, elephant dash the largest land animal. 27th option is. So in that way, you need to find correct option for this 27 to 31st questions. And 32 to 36 is the underlined. You need to do as directed. Write the meaning of the underlined word. So erupted, you need to find the meaning. Similarly, 33, 34, 35, 36. 5 questions will be asked. 1 mark each, 5 marks. So that will be the end of the question paper, students. Thank you.